Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about a view on the Indian markets for the upcoming week. At the same time, we will be discussing about the performance which Nifty gave last week. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I have opened Nifty daily candlestick charts. Also guys, you must have seen our last video which we released on Sunday, in which we predicted that market may give a good bullish move. And guys, the same thing happened. Market on Friday made a high of 15,469 levels and it closed at 15,435. So guys, we'll start with the discussion of the past week performance. On Monday, the market opened, that was 24th May 2021. On Monday, the market formed a doji candlestick, that is, the close was near to its open level only. There was some indecisiveness among the bears and the bulls, and the market closed at the same levels. So guys, on the next day, that was Tuesday, the market gave a up move of only 0.07%. Then on Wednesday, it gave a move of 0.24%. And on the 27th of May, that was Thursday, it was the monthly expiry as well, the market gave a move of 0.24%. And guys, on Friday, finally it made a all-time high of 15,469. And the Reliance was the major, or you can say the only contributor which made this happen, because it was contributing around 90 points in the Nifty, and the overall move was of 97 points only. Lines gave that day on Friday gave a move of 6%. So guys, as you can see, I'll show you one resistance which was at this level. The resistance was around 15,435. Look, this was the resistance, and the market, although first the market made a high of 15,469, but it was unable to sustain, and it came below its resistance level, that was below 15,435. It was at resistance level only. So guys, also one thing more which we have observed, that market is losing volume, and the volume is day by day has decreased. So that's why there are higher chances that market can reverse from these levels. So guys, I'll show you which is the next support. So guys, the next support is at around 15,038, we can say. It is the next support. So this is the next support. If the market start coming down from this level, we can start coming down from this level, we may see 15,000 levels soon. So guys, we are predicting that before reaching the 16,000 levels, which may come in the 1 or 2 months, it will come down. There will be a small pullback, and the market can go up to its next support, which is at 50,000, or even up to its next support after that, which is at 14,800, I guess. Wait a second, I'll mark it again, I'll find out again. It is around 14,800 approximately, right? So here is the next support. If the market fell below 15,038 is the next support, and after that the next support is at 14,800. So guys, so there are chances, because the market is losing volume, and it has closed below its resistance level only. Also, we have studied some FIR data, as well as we have studied the option chain. So we are predicting that there are higher chances the market may come down before making a new all-time high, and may reach up to 60,000, 16,000 level. But guys, if we see overall trend in the Nifty, that is overall trend of the Indian market is bullish only. If we talk about the movement which may come in the next 3 months or 2 months, it is the overall trend is bullish, and the market may, or there are very high chances that market may reach up to 16,000 level. I'll show you why we are saying this. I'll show you. I'll zoom in. I'll increase the size of the candles. So guys, hold a second here. I'll increase the size of the candles. So guys, as you can see on the screen, in May, Nifty made a swing high. So this is the May. Nifty made a swing high. This is the swing high, and the market reached up to 14,966 level. Then market made a swing low on 14th of May, and market made a low of around 14,591. Then market again made a swing high. This how to find out this swing high and swing low, we have already taught in our price action classes. So guys, and there are several videos which we have uploaded on our YouTube channel, so you can check them out if you are not understanding this. So guys, then again on 18th of May, market made a new swing high, and then again a swing low. So market is making a higher high and the higher lows, so which is showing that the overall market trend is bullish only, and the market may reach up to 16,000 levels in the coming months. But guys, there are higher chances that before reaching these levels, market may come down and we may see 15,000 levels in the few days, or you can say in 1 week or a 2 week. And then again 15,000 level, if it is not sustained, then we can see up to 14,800. But we are not seeing a downside below 14,800 because there are lesser coronavirus cases these days, and the vaccination program has also rolled out well. The government has ordered from different companies, and we have vaccinated around 20 crore people as of now. So guys, we the downside is limited, and there are higher chances that after giving a small pullback, or we can say after giving a small correction, the market may move up to 16,000. So guys, that was the analysis. So be cautious on the long side and on the short side as well, because currently we are in the no trading zone. We are waiting for the right time, and from there are chances that market may give a bullish move if the market close and sustains above this 15,500 levels. So if the market closes and sustains above 15,500, we may see a bullish move before the without giving a pullback. But guys, there are higher chances that first there will be one pullback, or we can say one correction before reaching up to 16,000. So guys, I hope you have understood what we as a team are trying to say. But guys, this is not a financial advice. You can you may refer to our suggestions, but definitely you have to take your own final decision. So guys, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.